Yeah, good day everyone. It's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to this YouTube video. Today in this YouTube video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how we made what 100 pips from Euro USD trading last week. Okay, so basically, I haven't been active posting YouTube videos, but if you check our Telegram, you see that I've been highly active there, right? So I do post my trade setup, my analysis, my outlook, what I'm looking out for in the market. So overall, in analysis, you should understand the what overall trend. So since we saw this break here, or let's just use this one. So since you saw this break right here, you know that, and this on the daily time frame, probably higher time frame. Now, yes, there is a break of structure. Expect a retracement. Although the retracement wasn't deep to this FVG right here, but it tapped in, then still dropping. Where is your target? Your target should be what this lows. So having established this bias or having seen the market structure trying to play out, it now gives you what confluence and confidence to what place a trade or what you're looking out for overall. So currently this was 1st of March. Everybody we are actually selling. Let's break down to the for okay, let me use the vertical line first so that you will understand what I'm trying to say. This is 1st of March. So this is Thursday, Friday, I guess. So this trade was Thursday, a Thursday trade. Took it on Thursday. So basically I want to push. Yeah, yeah. So let's move to the 4 hour time frame. So going to the 4 hour time frame right here. As you can see, so this is the 4 hour time frame on what Euro USD. Let me zoom my chart. So on the 4 hour time, you can see 1st of March. So everybody we are actually trying to sell to take out this 1.0300, but as you can see, it went down. People were actually, although I took this sell, then this massive push up. So this was where I found the entry. This was a retracement and OTE retracement. If you check well, let's bring out the fib. So I'm just showing you guys what actually what give me confluence or context, sorry, to this trade setup. Okay, this is my fib. So placing my fib from here to here, yeah, this lows, you can see it's slightly what um slightly moved past the OTE. Maybe some people will factor in this week or anything, but also you should know that from the weekly time frame, it's also retraced to, let me zoom. So yeah, from the weekly time frame, you see that it was a what? It was a heady retracement. Okay, this is another block in the weekly, right? So price definitely was tapped into it, although it's not drawn out, but this is also what you what look out for. So you can see price tapped into the weekly order block, and believe me, from next week I'm still what bearish. So I still expecting what lower prices. So this retracement is what healthy. Okay, this retracement is healthy. So tapped into it. So coming back to the daily, it gives me what more confluence to see price, heading over to the weekly um, uh, premium. Because now if we draw premium to discount, you see that yes, price actually what moved to the premium array. You understand? So price moves to the premium array. So yeah, well, let me just use fib to measure that. Just factor out in the, okay, let me see it here. So from here, from this high, remember price are already what, okay, give me a minute. Remember price already tapped into this FVG, dropped. So this is a pullback. It's pulled back to what the weekly premium array. You understand? That is going for the other block on the weekly time frame. So I'm actually trying to show you guys what price did here currently. So as you can see, from this side to this low. So everything here is discount, up is premium. So this is a deep premium, and the deep premium also what went ahead to what taking the other block on the weekly, which is this we are seeing here. So now it's back to discount also, so many, but not a deep discount. But overall, since we are bearish, we still expect price to what take out these lows and go lower. You understand? With fundamentals and everything being cool, because next week now we are expecting what NFP and so many other fundamentals, CPI, and okay, CPI is upper week, I guess, FOMC also. So that is it anyway, you understand? So that is it. So now let me show you guys how I took the 100 pips trade. So currently I've seen that price is in a downtrend, but now I've also seen what a retracement to OTE, to premium, to weekly order block. So it gives me what more confluence. Okay, then intermarket analysis, if you also view this on G, you see that yes, it also tapped into a fair value gap on GBP USD. You understand? So overall is here. Let me use a line to show you guys what I'm talking about. So you can see this strong weekly order block. So price wicked into it and started dropping. So once price actually was wicked into it, this was where I placed the entry. And where was my target? Although I was targeting these lows initially, but I ended up putting it on 800 or so. So that was here. Okay, so if you go to our Telegram channel, you see that everybody took this trade. Also, even on our YouTube community, my Twitter, can do well to use the link below. I also posted this trade there. So overall it was a 92 pips trade, depending on where you enter. Then I was not even risking much. My stop loss was here. So let's adjust that. So this was where my stop loss was, just this highs. Okay, that was 20 pips to make 100 pips. That was 1:5. Okay, 1:5 risk to reward ratio. So this was the trade. Held it from Thursday and from late Wednesday to Thursday. You understand? Because this was the first. So after New York closed, market started reversing. So we entered, then I went out, then re-entered again during the next day, because I don't want to hold a trade overnight. So price actually reached here, and I believe this is a, if you break down to the lower time frame, you see that this is another block here price tapped into, and then fair value gap here. So it calls for what, a pullback. Remember, it's going down does not mean it will just keep going lower just like that, right? So this buy was an ideal buy also for those that actually traded Friday. You understand? I did not trade on Friday. So assuming I traded on Friday, saw price here, my stop loss would have been on this lows, then here. And also, what is this? This is a let's measure. This is actually, I want to measure my measurement. Okay, let's just say from 900. Let's measure shift. Yeah, around 50 pips trade, then tapping into this other block. So overall, where is this retracement going to end, or what are we still expecting from next week currently? So let's bring out our fib again to know where. Let me delete this. So bringing out my fib from these highs down to this low. So expecting price around here. Okay, around there. Also, okay, probably moving into this fair value gap. So I've seen where I'm anticipating price, so I'll see wait to what, take another sell. Remember, this is a downtrend, and downtrend is ideal what, look out for sells, right? So overall expecting price to come here. Okay, so price coming here without not taking out all these highs anyway, but now you still have to wait for what, confirmation. And currently you expect it to what, wipe out all these lows, right? So overall that is my analysis on Euro USD currently, and this was how I got the trade set up also. And also using weekly profile, remember we normally do back testing here. We saw that Wednesday formed the low of the week. You understand? So we didn't really, you shouldn't expect okay, when they form the low and the high of the week. Some weeks are like that. When you see something like that, just know that probably it should be a sale. But now, due to Wednesday was 1st of March anyway, checking the PDRA metrics, you should understand that there are some criteria, or you just expect price because of monthly closure and weekly open or something like that. You expect to see the weeks. Now, going on the let's move over to the monthly time frame. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Remember, we are in a downtrend, right? Doesn't really mean that let me remove all these lines. Let's remove all this, just distracting. So remember, higher time frame really what matters. So now remember, we are in a downtrend, right? Doesn't mean the next month will open and just keep going down. So probably you expect a week up a bit, at least half or so. Price can even end up going to 70, who knows, then dropping. You understand? So overall, remember, if you are following me on YouTube, you see that these highs have been calling since when price was around this low. Told you guys price is heading over here, and now price is there, is reversing. So overall, there is a break of structure on the monthly time frame. Remember, monthly time frame takes time to what play out. So also you can see here. So this is a break of structure. So what do you expect? You expect a retracement, and remember, this is a monthly time frame. Retracements can be massive, 4 to 500 pips retracement, because it's a what monthly time frame. So without taking out the lows, then going for this highs. So now this is the bigger picture. You understand? Yes, we are now in an uptrend. Doesn't mean that price will keep going up straight up. No, you understand? And this can take years to happen anyway, because this is the monthly time frame. It's not the hourly time frame. Or but now this is just the framework we are looking out for. So I'm bearish doesn't mean I cannot see 100 pip move up, or to the upside of anything. So that is basically that for now. Anyway, I'll be releasing more content. Do well to like, subscribe, and share this YouTube video. I believe this video has been insightful. Thank you for watching this YouTube video, and bye bye.